This was the question which we gave yesterday. Some students got and they sent the message also. Let's check. Minus 10 into 3 will get minus 30. And you know we require minus 5 root 5. What is required? If we add it, what we need? Minus 5 root 5. Correct now? We need minus 5 root 5. Yes, Haripriya. Yeah, first sum. So, we need minus 5 root 5 and even we need minus 30 if we multiply. So, what two numbers you are going to take? So, whole number is not going to work. Whole number is not going to work here. We need to take some number which is under the root. I need root 5. So, it's simple. 6 root 5 and root 5. If I take 6 root 5 and root 5, you know, 6 root 5 into root 5 will give me 6 root 25. 6 into 5 will get me 30. And I need minus 30 actually, and I need minus 5 root 5, so I will give minus here. So now I can write 3x square minus 6 root 5 plus 1 root 5 minus 10 equals to 0. 1 root 5 or root 5. So you can take your x is missing. So let me write down your x. Right. Chalo. Now I can take 3x common. X minus 2 root 5 I am going to get. Here in this 2, what is common? Who will say what is common? Here also x will come. So boys and girls, let me know what is common here. Root 5. Okay. Rekha, what is common in the second step? Okay, Sharno says Krishna. Yeah, very good, Krishna. So, here, actually, normally if you look means there is nothing like looks like common, but you know we can take 5 ones are 5 twos are is available. So we will take common as root 5. Correct? We will get, if I take root 5 common, then how 10 will come? A question will be for you. So x minus 2 root 5 will give me that 10 only. If you multiply this, minus 2 root 5 into root 5 will give you 2 root 25. This minus 2 into 5 will give you minus 10. So that is what was needed. Okay. Root 5 into 2 root 5 will give you 10. Now the answer is x minus 2 root 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to 2 root 5. 3x plus root 5 is equal to 0. 3x is equal to minus root 5. X is equal to minus root 5 by 3. So some students got this answer. Very good. Who got the answer? Congrats to them. So let us take the factor of 324. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 2 twos are. 2 8s are 2 ones are. 3 twos are 6, 3 sevens are, 3 nines are, 3 threes are, and even 3 ones are. My God. So now I want 45. In my head, 45 is that I need 45. So what numbers I can try? 2 twos are 4, 4 is 12, 12 threes are 36. And this is 9. So yes, I got it 36, 9. And you know 36 plus 9 will get 45. I need minus 45, so I will write minus 36 and minus 9. Correct? Okay. So x square minus 36x minus 9x plus 324 equals to 0. Manikanta, refresh it. Just leave and come back. Take common in this, we'll get x common x minus 36 minus 9 common x minus 36 equals to 0. Answer will get x minus 36 equals to 0, so x equals to 36. Another answer, x minus 9 equals to 0, so x equals to 9. Done. Understood? Krishna, you had a mistake. Any doubt? So let the, what is that? Let the breadth be x. Okay. Now the length is 1 meter more than twice the breadth. Length is 1 meter more. More means plus twice the breadth. Let's go for area now. Area is equal to length into breadth. Area of rectangle. Area they gave 300. Length we have 2x plus 1. And breadth also we have. Breadth is x. 300 is equal to 2x into x will multiply 2x square plus 1 into x or 1x. This 300 we will get this side. So we will get 2x square plus x minus 300 equals to 0. We need to take a two number which will give 300 and difference is 1. So let us take 300 factor, 2 ones are 2 5s are, 3 5s are, 5 10s are, 5 2s are, 2 1s are. I know I need a 1 difference, so I can take 2 3s are 6. Okay, one more number is missing. 2, okay, yeah, 600 will come. Actually, we did not multiply. Right? We did not multiply. Yes, 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 correct. We missed that. How can we do that? So this 300 into 2 we should multiply. So we are going to get 600, correct? Take the factors of 600, 2 3s are, 2 150s are, 3 5s are, 5 10s are, 5 2s are, 2 1s are. So I want difference 1, so 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, and this 2, 24. So 24 and 25. This is 25. So I can take 25 and 24. So I want plus 1, so minus 24, right? So we can write 2x square plus 25x minus 24x minus 300. This already we did, you know, this we did already factorization. Common, x common, so we'll get 2x plus 25. In this we should take common as 12, minus 12 common, so 2x plus 25. You know that this will be same. These two should be same, and it is same now. X minus 12 is equal to 0. So we'll get the answer as what? X is equal to 12. Another answer, 2x plus 25 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to minus 25. X is equal to minus 25 by 2. Okay, now length. Length and breadth. So breadth is equal to x it was. So we will take 12 meter. And length is equal to, it is 2x plus 1. So length is equal to 2x plus 1. So we will write 2 into 12 plus 1. We will get 25 meter, right? Because 2 12s are 24 plus 1 25 meter. Understood? This question already we have done. A cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles. One industry is producing certain number of articles. So let the number of articles produced is equal to X. Okay, next data. It was observed that on a particular day, the cost of production of each article was 3 more than twice the number of article produced. Cost of each article. Cost of each article. What they give cost of each article is 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. 3 more than twice the 3 more than twice, correct? 3 more than twice. This is 3 more plus and twice the number of articles. So this part is done. So total cost on that day was how much rupees? 90 rupees. Again, you know how you will find total cost. How you will find total cost? So number of articles into cost of each article. Correct now? So number of article is X. Cost of each article is 2X plus 3. Total cost is 90 rupees. So multiply 2X into X will get 2X square plus 3X minus 90 is equal to 0. Now we need to multiply this 90 into 2 will get minus 180. We need here 3 difference. So take the factors of 180. 290s are 330s are. So difference is what? 15. We need 3 difference. So which table will be good? Let's see. 3, 15, the 30, no. 3, 2, the 6, 6 is the 18, no. Okay. So we'll get here 9 to the 18, that is 15. Okay. So which table you will take? Which table? 15, 12. Yeah. See, this is 15 and this 2, 3 and 2. So we can take 15, 12. Here minus 2. So 2x square plus 15x minus 12x minus 9. Take common and complete the answer. Complete the sum. This x common will get 2x plus 15. Here what is common? 6 is common, minus 6 common. So 2x plus 15 is equal to 0. One answer, x is equal to 6. Directly shall I write the answer? Another answer will get x is equal to minus 15 by 2. Minus answer we will not consider. Okay. So finally what we want? We want number of articles. Number of articles produced is equal to 6 cost of each article. What is the cost of each article we have taken? What is that? 2x plus 3. So, Tejashwini, correct, understood? Evening. 2 into 6 plus 3, 15. Tejashwini, Asaikrani morning. Today morning. Okay. Understood? Everyone, any doubt in this?